Today we're gonna, they're fighting, the dogs are. We're gonna be doing feeding hay. And we're gonna check on the baby goats. I already hear them. First we gotta feed hay. And that is gonna be the hard part. So don't count on me filming it much because this is literally my second time ever doing it. And the first time I did it with my dad watching. So it's gonna be kind of hard, first time. But and they're all in here. So can't use a tripod, they're gonna knock it over. So I'm gonna have to use my chest mount. But, so basically here I'll show you how it works here. So here you got all the cows and horses. Then here's one hay bale ring right there. Got another one right there. And so, all the cows walking out. It's around 40 head of cattle right here with 2 horses, obviously. So what I gotta do, I gotta back the skid steer out of here, go through the gate, and then put one in one of those hay bale rings. I don't know which one yet. Then the hard part is gonna be I have to go up the hill in the snow and get another hay bale for Tuesday. All right, let's go, come on. All right, there we go. So they're out of here. Let's get in the, drop it in. Yeah. It won't work. There you go. Alright. Want to make sure you get it all. You go work for breadcrumbs and dirt, so your kids can stand tall in their name. And you told me, son, there are things to be done. You're older and stronger like me. Times just to play. And no man blood that you bled and the mouths that you fed at your door. And no man the sweat that you poured, bruised, they don't beg like you no more. And no man the dinners you miss so your daughters never seen you smile like you did out front when the crowd screamed the words of your kid. You told me, boy, it's been a long, hard road. This life that I've chose for my kid. And I wish and I pray I could go back in time so I could raise up this family again. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go check on the, oh my god, it's cold. Gonna go check on the goats and the kids. Yeah, so I'm not gonna get another bale. Didn't risk it. Called my dad. He said that was a good choice to back out of there. So now I'm gonna go check on the goats and check on the cows. Well, on the steers. If you watch my channel, you would know that we have new kids on the farm. We have 4 total. So here is the new mom with her kids. I'd say she's the best mom so far. Planning on doing it again. Planning on getting them pregnant again. But the kids were no help at all. That's why I like goats. If you guys are looking for an animal that you want to have babies of, like kind of want to start a farm, goats are good because you don't really need to know much. You should make sure they're pregnant. And make sure they always have to have a dry place. If it's wet, they hate the wet. I don't know why. They can stand cold, hot, any of that, but they cannot stand the wet. Like, see, we just got a little barn here. This is one of many. But, so yeah, so here's the mom with the kids. And those are the 2 you want to name. So the one in the back is a girl. And that's the one we're going to keep. And then the one chewing on its mom's hair is a boy. And so we only have one girl, and that one that I was talking about being a girl, that's the only one we're going to keep this year. So we're going to have a total of 4 males. 4 females, 3 kids that are males. So yeah, so goats are good. I got to check goat's feed, and I might shovel the shop's driveway. My grandpa already shoveled the one to the house. So here are the other kids. They, as you can see, they're really not that they've gotten really big. So goats, like I was talking about, how they can't stand the wet. So they cannot stand mud or any of that. But for some reason, they're awful weird animals. But they can stand snow because I guess they don't consider it wet. Like mud, they hate any of that. If you guys kind of, live on a farm and like feed cows with hay, a good idea is to put hay in the goat's pen, and the goats would love it. They'll make a little, this hay bale has been in here for about 2 months. They just flatten it down to where they like it. So anytime there's wind, well, anytime, anywhere, they can just adjust on the hay bale. You can just move around it. So yeah, the goats are good. Steers are good. Cows are good. Calves are good. Kids are good. Horses are good. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please go down there, like and subscribe. Kind of like a little shout out and kind of thanks to a teenage farmer. He kind of helped me make this video. He makes a lot of these types of video, and he's 15 years old, I think. 15 years old. Lives in Illinois. So thanks to him for kind of making me want to make one of these videos. And I think I'm going to start coming out with quite a bit of these. Look at that. We got a lot of snow. So if you guys want to see more of these videos, go down there, like and subscribe, please. It'd help me out a lot. Make me keep making these videos. I don't kind of want to be a content creator. Obviously, I want to be a content creator. I kind of want to do kind of like day in the life, not like vlogs, because that sounds kind of weird. Just farm stuff, showing me feed hay, showing me work on goats, showing me work on cows. Any of that kind of stuff. Feeding animals, mowing, or any of that. So if you guys liked today's video, please go down there, like and subscribe. Hopefully you'll have a good day.